Yeah, Uni's in the house. London streets where the hustle never stops. Uni's on the grind, she's got the agile chops. From coaching team.
I want to make Ogbono soup for the family. Delicious homemade Ogbono soup. So come with me, let me show you the ingredients. So I have here the turkey. Then there's the smoked fish I want to use. I'm going to use spinach. This is the Ogbono itself. And this is the palm oil.
Yeah, Uni's in the house. London streets where the hustle never stops. Uni's on the grind, she's got the agile chops. From coaching teams to yatta flights, she's the queen of travel, shining those bright lights. Visas, passports, and destinations galore. Uni's got you covered, that's for sure. From the UK to the US, Europe and beyond, she's the travel whisperer, waving her magic wand. Uni's the globe-trotting queen, flaunting her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Yeah, she's got the blueprint, overseas vibes, under the moon's tip. School placements, conferences, events so grand. Uni's expertise like golden sand. Relocation advice, she's your compass true, helping you navigate skies so blue. Pack your bags, grab your map, let's explore Uni's rhythm, the beat of travel's core. Uni's the globe-trotting queen, flaunting her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Uni's social game, it's a non-stop talk. She's the influencer, the storyteller supreme, spreading wanderlust vibes like a vivid dream. Uni's the globe-trotting queen, flaunting her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Uni's Imianvan-Taiwo, keep shining bright. Your Afro hip-hop journey takes flight. Agile coach by day, travel maven by night. Uni's, you're the rhythm, the melody, the light. Yeah, she's got the blueprint. Overseas vibes under the moon's tick. School placements, conferences, events so grand. Uni's expertise like golden sand. Copy amps. Uni's the globe-trotting queen, flaunting her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Instagram. Yeah, Uni's in the house. London streets where the hustle never stops. Uni's on the grind, she's got the agile chops. From coaching teams to yatta flights, she's the queen of travel, shining those bright lights. Visas, passports, and destinations galore. Uni's got you covered, that's for sure. From the UK to the US, Europe and beyond, she's the travel whisperer, waving her magic wand. Uni's the globe-trotting queen, flaunting her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Yeah, she's got the blueprint, overseas vibes, under the moon's tip. School placements, conferences, events so grand. Uni's expertise like golden sand. Relocation advice, she's your compass true, helping you navigate skies so blue.